In this setup we've got two trolleys with light gates at either side. Two trolleys are initially stationary, so the total momentum before is 0. The trolleys have both got the mass that you can see on the digital balance, and then they're positioned together and a spring-loaded plunger is engaged and they explode apart. The velocities after the collision are shown in the subtitles. So you can calculate the momentum of both trolleys in their opposite directions, and hopefully those two momenta should equal approximately 0. As the red trolley becomes the heavier of the two, what you can see is that the speed of the red trolley as it recoils against the blue trolley being ejected to the right is a smaller speed because it's got a greater mass. If I think of the red trolley as being a cannon and the blue trolley as being the cannonball, you can see that the velocity of the cannonball to the right is greater than the cannon to the left.